Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from church and it's already evening. So I don't know, I want to cook. So welcome to my kitchen. So once again, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Esther, and please do well to stay till the end of this video and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Okay, so guys, I want to cook jollof rice. I have a soya that I bought yesterday night, and ever since then I've not warmed it because I don't know how I'm going to warm it, and then I don't have what to use and preserve it. So I don't know if the soya is still good though. So let's open it and see. I just hope it's still good though, because I don't like waste. I should have done this, maybe cook it since morning, just that I went to church very early in the morning and then I came back. You you guys, take a look. Are you sure it's still good? But it's not dry, no. It's still good. I think we'll have to use it and cook like that. And I have a papati jollof tomatoes seasoning mix, and then I have this Gino Ashun tomatoes mix to flavor tomatoes mix. So, and then I have Korean thyme in here. Of course, I'm cooking for only myself, so I think I should just do like 2 cups of rice for today and tomorrow, or one and a half. What do you think? Very important. I have this leftover stew. I don't want to waste it. I finished all the meat that was inside, so I think I should use it. I'm going to use this too, this tomatoes mix to prepare this rice. So please make sure you don't go anywhere. Stay till the end of this video. Please, I'm begging you. You guys, I have my rice in here. Now the issue I have is that since I'm on nails, opening something like this is very difficult for me. I find it very difficult to do it, and I don't have any other person to help me. So I have to help myself. So let's go. Finally, we conquer it. So I think I'm going to use just one of these, or one and a half. Don't you think? I just need small something. I don't like when my rice is remaining more than 2 days. I guess it's too much. Oh. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and wash it. I don't think I'm going to parboil this rice. So I'm just going to wash it with cold water. I'll wash it very well with salt, and then I will just fry it like that. So I don't want to parboil it because I want the rice to come out looking very nice. I don't want it to be too soft, or I don't even want it to burn. So look at it. I said I'm going to use salt to wash it. So I'm going to use my filter to filter it. So we are done with the rice. So let's just start making the stew, the sauce for the rice. You guys, I don't know what to do. My pepper is always getting bad because nothing to use and preserve it. Like some are very dry, some are very still fresh. So I don't know if you have any suggestion. What do you think I can use to keep my pepper to stay fresh for up to 5 days? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. So I'm just going to go ahead and start selecting the pepper. I don't have grater, I don't have blender, and I don't have pounder like mortar. So I'm just going to find a way around it to blend this pepper, because even if I don't have, I still have to add pepper to my food, of course. And you know, you cannot really cook stew, jollof rice without using fresh pepper. Fresh pepper is the best option for stew, for your sauce, for your jollof rice, for in fact for everything. Fresh pepper is the best option for me. But I don't know about you. If you don't like fresh pepper, please let me know. And if you like it, also let me know in the comments. You guys, please don't go anywhere. Stay with me. Stay with me. So you guys, since I don't have blender or I don't have mortar yet, so this is what I do. Anytime I want to pound something, I will just put it inside nylon, then I will tie it, then I will use this to heat it. So you're going to see how I'm going to do it. So in every situation that you find yourself, always learn to improvise, just the way I'm doing right here. So guys, after I'm done pounding the pepper, it's time to slice onions. So this is the quantity of onions that I'll be using for this meal. So you guys, since I already have a sauce here, I'm not going to fry another one afresh. So I'm just going to add my oil, like another oil into this one. I don't want much oil. So I will just add oil, and then I'll go ahead and open this inside, then I'll go ahead and fry it. So I'm going to add my onions, and then salt, and then I'm going to add my soya. Remember that we are using soya to cook this. So I'm going to allow it to fry for a few minutes. Then I will now add other spices to it. So I have my curry and thyme. guys my pepper. So I'm going to add a little water. So I'm going to be using 4 seasoning cube. So I'm using Ashun seasoning cube. This Gino Ashun seasoning cube. So you guys, it's time to go in with our rice. So I'm going to add water to it and allow it to cook. So add water and allow your rice to cook. You guys, NEPA has taken light, but thank God that we are done. So our rice, our food is ready. So look at it. You can see how it's not really clear because NEPA has taken light. It tastes so nice. You need to have a taste of this. Everything is perfect. I love it and I cannot wait to eat it. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me tonight. NEPA has taken light, so you can see how the video is right now. The quality of the video is not really clear. So we're going to stop here. Thank you for joining me. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and do well to follow us for more video like this. Bye.